Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the pineapple apple ginger detox drink. For this, we're going to take some chopped apples. We will add some oranges for a tangy and sweet taste. We will then top this up with some ginger, which is chopped. And we're going to nicely add some water depending on the quantity that we would require. We will nicely grind this in the mixer jar as you see in the video, and run this through a sieve so that the hard particles are taken off. I have a clear juice with me. To this, I add some lemon juice. I squeeze it out. Next, I add some salt and I mix this well. Next, add some pepper. We will also top this up with some honey just for some taste. This is completely optional and you can do away with this. We mix the juice well, and now our 100% detox pineapple apple ginger juice is ready to be had.